guys, it's Jen again, coming to you with a bit of an unbagging. I do know one is a diamond painting, one is something I ordered for diamond painting related to test. I've seen other people use it, so I'm going to try them both out and see how it goes. So we'll start with the one that's not the diamond painting, but is diamond painting related. I can't test it right away because of the fact that I don't have any to test it on. I hope this is what it is anyway. Oh, okay. One was in the thing. And this should be another one of them, which I just kind of find strange because it's packaged inside the bag like that, but if I find that it works well when I do my giveaway here in the next little while, I am going to include it, one of them with it. Yeah, so it's the second one of them. So there's two of those. They're T-ball infuser, or tea infusers. For anybody who hasn't seen some of the ones that other people have used, here I'll open one of them up here so that you can see. Oh my goodness, I can't get my fingers. Oh, there we go. So what a lot of people have been doing is, instead of using them for tea, putting their drills in here, putting them, closing it, the oily drills, and then washing them. So I plan to test this to see how it works for me, or if I prefer my little strainer. And they were only, I got them on a really good price. I think I paid like $1 a piece for them. And I think this might be the painting I ordered for the giveaway. If I'm correct, this painting was ordered on July 29th and just received, excuse me, just received today, October 9th. And if it is the case, I ended up actually receiving a full refund through Amazon for this. Because it was well past its expected arrival date. So, I don't know if you can see. I will do a quick check of this. If I can figure out where it's sealed. Oh, this one that's sealed on the bottom. According to what I have here, it doesn't tell me if I didn't write down whether it was square or round. It was $5 from a store on Amazon called Lavany. It's a 30 by 30. Definitely sticky. Not gooey though, so that's a good sign. Came with a standard kit. One pan, a piece of wax, closed boat or closed tray. And we'll do a quick check of the drills here. There's supposed to be 13. Oh, okay. I was like, wait a minute. 11, 12, and 13. What a pretty blue that is. It is all here. It is around. None of the drills appear to be oily, and just double checking them here. These appear to be in pretty good shape. That one's so full it's hard to tell. No, they don't seem to be oily. So, looks pretty good. I'll show you guys a close-up of this drill field. Again, this is a painting that's going to be part of my giveaway that stay tuned for, because it'll be announced very soon here. Alright guys, well that was my unboxing for today. I hope you guys are all having a great week. Thank you for watching. Bye for now until the next video.